TPS throttle position sensor. Where is the throttle position sensor located? The throttle position sensor, TPS, is typically located on the throttle body, which is part of the air intake system of a vehicle. General location. Mounted directly on the throttle shaft of the throttle body. Usually located opposite the throttle cable or throttle motor, for drive-by-wire systems. On most vehicles, it's near the intake manifold, between the air filter box and the engine. How to identify it? Small black or gray plastic sensor. Has an electrical connector with 3, 4, 5 to 6 wires. Often held in place by 2 screws. Throttle position sensor connected to the throttle plate shaft, so it rotates as you press the accelerator. Examples, by vehicle type. Older vehicles, with throttle cable TPS is on the side of the throttle body, opposite where the cable attaches. Modern vehicles, drive-by-wire TPS is integrated into the electronic throttle body and may not be serviceable separately. Tip. To confirm, look for a component near the throttle body that responds to throttle movement and has an electrical connector. You can also refer to a repair manual or OBD2 scan tool for the exact location and sensor testing.